Hi everyone, welcome to lesson number 1. In this lesson, we'll be learning the 7 letters that make up the musical alphabet, and we'll also be learning where on the keyboard we can find these notes. So there are 7 letters in the musical alphabet from A to G. So it's A, B, C, D, E, F, and G. Now we're going to learn where to find these notes on the keyboard. First of all, let us observe the keyboard, and we will notice that there is a pattern with the black keys. So we have clumps of 2 black keys followed by 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. So it's the same pattern all throughout the keyboard. So the first note that we're going to learn is the note of C. C is the key that is right in front of the 2 black keys, right? It's to the left, to the immediate left of the 2 black keys. So we have a C here, and we have another set of 2 black keys here. So in front of it, we have another C here, another C here, another C here. All right? So after C, we'll continue to D, E, F, G. So remember, it's from A to G. So we're going to start after we arrive at G, we continue to A, B, and then we arrive at C again. All right? And it's the same thing going all the way down the keyboard. So it's C, D, E, F, G, A, B, C. So we learned that the C is located to the immediate left of the 2 black keys. Now, it might help as well to note that the note that is right in front of the clump of 3 black keys is F. All right? That might be helpful as well. So we have C right in front of the 2 black keys, and then in front of the 3 black keys, it is F. F, F, and F. All right? So what we're going to do is to learn a song, a very simple song that will help us to remember the letters in the musical alphabet and their positioning on the keyboard. So we're going to learn the song Mary Had a Little Lamb, right? And we are going to play this and try to sing the notes as well so that it can help us to memorize the position. So the notes are E, D, C, D, and then we have 3 E's, E, 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 D, 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 and then we have E, G, G, E, G, G, E, D, C, D, E, 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 D, C, E, D, C. All right. Now, when we're just learning the notes on the keyboard, it might help to use maybe a pencil or an erasable marker to write the letters on the keys. That might help when you're just starting, right? C, D, E, F, G, A, B, right? But that would just be for the short term. We don't want to get dependent on the written notes because what we want to try to do for the long term is to memorize the position using the pattern, right? So we know that C would be here in front of the 2 black keys, for example, and then the notes continue in that order. So let us try to play Mary Had a Little Lamb using the notes that we just learned. And we're going to sing the letters as well that can help you to memorize. So here we go. C, D, E, 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 D, 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 E, G, G, E, D, C, B, E, 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 B, C, E, D, C. All right, very good. So you can practice playing that on your own, and you can play any other simple song like that using these notes, and you're going to practice singing the notes out loud so that you can learn the positions of these 7 notes on the keyboard. Thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video.